Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Super EMA Prism indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Super EMA Prism indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 40 different strategies, with 12 of them being winners. We've also tested a total of 475 indicators, with 193 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these indicators on indicators and strategies on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally, crypto, regular stock market, what have you. So back to our indicator. Today's indicator is the Super EMA Prism, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so really what we are looking for is the coloration of the background. And so when we get a red background, we are going to go short. When we get a green background, we are going to go long. So pretty simple setup. Let's go ahead and go on with the testing, see what we can get out of this. Alright, so our first signal you can see right here was a long. We get a green background right here. We went ahead and you saw me change the opacity level of these colors so that way they stand out just a little bit more, making them easier to actually see that color shift. And so on this one right here, we get a long signal, and you can see that we get just a little bit of pullback right there. But we actually go, let's see here, there we go, zoom in just a tad bit more, so you can see that we actually go up and hit the take profit on this candle right here before we get a slight pullback, and then a continuation back to the long side there. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, then over here on this side, we pick up another long signal right here as we get a slight break and then go to a green background again. Unfortunately, we weren't able to get to take profit before price action pulls down pretty heavily there, getting us stopped out. Then we pick up this green signal right here, long signal, and once again we get a pretty heavy little pullback right there that does come down and hit our stop before we get the little push up and then kind of consolidation sideways. So that one is also going to stop us out there. All right, what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing, that way things don't get too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that is going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Discord below, as well as a link to our Patreon. Once you sign up as a patron, you'll get access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis. They put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. The patrons love being able to follow along with those trades in their own accounts. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the list of indicators that we have tested, the full list, which we've actually had transferred over into an Excel sheet as well. And so you'll get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. And that will show exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those videos. Our admin Rob is posting regular scanner alerts. These are crypto and forex scanners, his own personal scanners that he uses to be a profitable trader. As he gets an alert to the scanners, he then posts it in the channel for all the patrons to see, take advantage of those trading opportunities. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together an amazing team of traders, coders, and developers, and together they have been creating a full suite of optimized, profitable indicators that they are giving away to all the patrons for free. They are also working on turning these into trading bots, and once they have achieved that, they'll be offering it to the patrons as well. And so there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, let's go back and take a look at our indicator here. Let's count these out and see what we get out of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We have 7 trades all together, and we have 1 and 2 winners. So obviously that's not going to meet the 60% criteria. Even when this was giving a decent amount of trade signals, it was kind of doing so not very accurately. And then you see here that we do hit these moments where it goes an extended period of time, giving no signal whatsoever. And so very few signals in 1 year's time is going to be very problematic, especially when those few signals are very inaccurate. And so this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.